Hey everybody, it's Ben. I wanted to just show you a little bit of what's going on here in the first week of the construction project. Standing in the parking lot, and you can see this is behind me is the work that's going on in the parking lot, and they have already kind of taken the first layers off and are working on getting down to the area where they can start putting down rock and whatnot for the pavement. And I'll show you here in a second what's going on inside the building. Now we're in the commons, and you can see they put up a wall to separate out from the classrooms that are over there. They of course use nice blue and gold. I'm going to walk you to down to the band room is where they started the demo. Walk through this area. So most of this was tore out yesterday. You can see Mr. Marcotte's office is rubble. And then they've torn out this area as well. And then into the industrial arts shop, you can see they're tearing out the mezzanine as well. And this is the old van storage room that's going to be the new ag room. Finally into the art room. Sinks are getting tore out. Island over here is getting tore out as well. So that's what they've done in the first 4 days. By all accounts, they're on great pace. They got a lot done in this first week. So it's exciting stuff. Fun listening to jackhammers and demo out of my office. So anyways, shoot me back any questions if you have any. Otherwise, we'll send out some more videos here in the coming days. Have a great weekend.